Welcome to WriteWiz. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Here, we learn to speak and write English in a fun and easy way. If you also want to become fluent in English, make sure to join us. Let's get started. How to become fluent in English. Fast way. I want to speak English fluently. It is a very important language. People all over the world use English to talk, study, and work. If we know English well, we can get better jobs, travel easily, and talk to people from different countries. We must speak English every day. We should not feel shy. We can start talking in English with our friends and family, or even just talk to ourselves. Let us practice speaking English at home too, Zero. We can describe what we are doing. For example, I am brushing my teeth, or I am cooking food. The more we speak, the more confident we become. Do not worry about mistakes. English learners make mistakes too. Mistakes help us learn. Just keep trying and keep speaking. Slowly.